Okay, let me get the confirmation that we are live and then we will start. Okay. I think we are live, so we can start. Am I clearly audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, unfortunately, I'm in a remote part of Greece, so I don't have very good network, but I think we should go through. Okay. So last Monday, we started learning past tense. Everybody remembers?
Yeah.
Okay. What we said that past tense is generally very irregular in all the languages. कि आना का आया होता है पर जाना का गया होता है. Play का played होता है. In English, play is played, but go is not good. Go is went, right?
Yeah.
And then second thing we started learning, as we said, कि even though the forms themselves are a little bit different, forms थोड़े से different होते हैं, but any verb when it comes into past tense, then it starts behaving. What does it mean? The sein means to be. Sein was very irregular. Ich bin, du bist, ist. But when it becomes in past tense, it becomes ich war, du warst, war, wir waren. Everybody remembers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, for hatten, haben is irregular, but once we come into past tense, then it becomes hatte, hattest. Let me share the screen so that it is easier to understand. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you remember, what you need to remember? Only hatte. For do, st, again r is same like hatte,
Yeah.
wir hatten, sie hatten. Similarly for war, for do st, for war, waren. Clear hai?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody remembers this?
Yeah.
Again, I had ich hatte, you had du hattest, he had hatte, we had wir hatten. Similarly for war. And then similarly, we learned the modal verbs in
Modal
past.
verbs.
Okay. For modal verbs also what we said, whatever irregularities, they go away. Just in the normal, you have to add T before en. Zollen becomes Zoltan, Kjonen becomes Konten, Müssen becomes Musten, Dürfen becomes Dürften, Wollen becomes Wulften. Just the umlaut goes away. And there is Mjösten is itself kind of a past tense, would like to, therefore Mjösten doesn't have a past tense. Okay. Next thing, again, you don't need to remember pairs now because you are in past tense, everything is smooth. You just remember Zolte, du becomes Zoltest, again Zolte, Zolten, Zolten. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, can we solve 5 questions so that I understand how much you have understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's solve them together. You can see, right? Everybody can see the screen?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, solve it. Once done, just let me know. I will check the YouTube. I hope I have a connection here also. Okay. If you are done, just write your name in chat window. Those who are on YouTube, write it in your chat window also. Just write your name in chat window. Okay, I think I have answers. So should we start or should we give a couple of minutes?
For me, we can start.
Okay, so anybody who has not given answers yet?
Yes, Sushmit.
Okay, Vishnu, I heard name first time. Okay, Vishnu, you can give all 5 today. Okay, we will wait for another 15 seconds and then we will give answers. Okay.
Hetal.
Hello.
Hetal.
Hetal, maybe the next set of questions you can answer. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good. Vishnu, start.
There are Sushmit, but that's
Okay,
fine.
sorry, Sushmit. Sorry, Sushmit. Yes, please.
I was 15 years old. Ich war 15 Jahre alt.
Very good.
You had pizza. Du hattest Pizza.
Very good.
He could play cricket. Er konnte Cricket spielen.
Very good.
I wanted to drink tea. Ich wollte Tee trinken.
Very good. आपने wanted to को एक ही किया. I am very happy. Next.
We had to learn English. Wir hatten English lernen.
Okay, फिर से same mistake. Anybody who has written differently?
Wir mussten.
Wir mussten. क्यों wir mussten? Guys, always remember had to his English limitation, because in English must does not have past tense, right? So we have to use. So we had to learn English. हिंदी आपकी मातृभाषा में क्या होगा? हमें इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ी. That will be wir mussten English lernen. Quickly कितने करेक्ट है अपने अपने चैट विंडो में लिखो. Okay, I see 5, 4, 4, 5. I hope जो 4 है, these are mostly for the Hutton, right? Or Muston, correct?
Yes.
Everybody clear till now?
Yes.
If you are clear with this, next part is very easy. Next part is very easy. So now, as I said, if you remember in English, what you do? You do go, went, gone, right? What is this go, went, gone? Everybody knows, right? Can you tell me cut?
Cut.
Very good. Everybody like it goes cut, cut, cut. Very good. Then let's try something like eat,
Eat.
Eat.
Eaten.
eaten,
Eaten.
come,
Come.
Came, went.
come, came, come. Very nice. Understood?
Yeah.
So, as I said, what is this? What is go? What is went? What is gone?
Past.
Verb के form.
Present, past, and past participle, right? Present, past, and past participle, right?
Yes.
Present, past, participle. And they are different. See, English also has a rule. Play, played, played, right?
Yeah.
But this ed, it will end with ed. That nobody follows. So you cannot really call it a rule, right? See, a rule is called rule if there is 5% exception and 95% people follow it, right? If nobody follows it, what is the rule? Understood?
Yeah.
So similarly, go in German is gehen. Gehen. उसका past tense रूप होता है gingen, gingen. But we will remember ging only. What we will remember?
Ging.
Ging. Why we will remember ging? Because it is your ish or er form. It is your ish or er form. So again, once we do ging, do will become gingst, er will become ging. I'm really sorry. I need to just take one call. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll just take it. Hello, I am really sorry I had to be away for an urgent call. Okay, so we were at Gehen Ging. Why we did Gehen Ging, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's okay. So if you see, which screen you are seeing now? Are you seeing my whiteboard or are you seeing my main screen?
Whiteboard.
Okay, so let me start seeing my screen. Can you see now, Ging?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So why? Yes, that day we spent so much time on var hatta because it's the same rule. You just remember ging, you add st, ging, gingan, gingan. Everybody understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, if you see, common becomes kamen, but you have to just remember calm, calm, calmst, calm, kamen, kamen.
Yes.
Some everybody understood?
Yes.
See, again, now why common becomes calm is same as why came became come, why went became go. You understand that?
Yes.
We spent a long time that last in class to make you understand that. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are irregular. Again, in German also. So what I don't like is I will tell you a rule and then that rule nobody follows. So is it a rule? No.
No.
So technically there are few so-called regular verbs. You can see my whiteboard now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are some regular words like spielen. They're same as played. Played was regular in English, right?
Yes.
Similarly, in German, spielen is regular. So for it, you remove the el, you make it spiel, and then add lte, spielte. And again, that spielte becomes spielte, spieltest, spielte, spielten, spielten. Understood?
Yes.
But there is no point in learning this rule because very few people like kochte, wonte, from that. But there is no, what I am trying to say now is very important. Understand this. If you don't understand this, I will repeat it as many times you want. The problem is going by this rule is there is no rule when this rule will be followed. In English, there is nothing like, okay, so O comes at the end, so go becomes went. Or played, Y comes at the end, so play remains regular. There is no such rule, right?
Yeah.
Right.
In German also, there is no such rule that, okay, spielen, L comes at the end, so it is regular. Or kochens, H comes at the end. So there is no way for us to understand this is a regular verb. So there is no point in making it a regular verb. Understood?
Yeah.
It's just that the way you remembered come, came, come, go, went, gone, play, played, played, we will also remember gehen, ging, kamen, kam, spiel, spielte. Understood?
Yes.
This will save you a lot of trouble. This I have learned after teaching 50 classes. Understand? See, I could also start, okay, for past tense, there is a rule that you remove the en, you add t and then st. But nobody follows that rule. What's the use of it? Understood?
Yep.
So just like English, you remembered gehen, ging, gegangen, we will do that. I will give you all those important verbs tomorrow morning. The verbs in that format tomorrow morning. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now on the group. Now, just before and why we learn perfect with that is because they are related. You did go, went, gone. You remember? You remembered, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, in German also there is past participle. We are going to learn that in very detail. Don't worry. Just that anyway, if you are going to remember one new word, remember two. Go, went, gone. In German is gehen, ging, gegangen. Understood?
Yes.
So the way you were learning in English, go, went, gone. In German, you will learn gehen, ging, gegangen. That's it.
Okay.
How, when, we will see afterwards. Concept समझ में आई?
Yes.
There is enough time. Don't worry. आज के आज आपको past tense आना नहीं है. As I said, some things are simple. For future tense, you just need one word. Well done, right?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, in any language, past tense are very irregular. You have to remember then, but you have enough time. Don't worry. We will do it step by step. So for today, for us, only important thing which is good enough for us right now is, okay, what we will do is first we will do a few simple ones. I will give, can you write them down? And so what I will do, let's see, gehen, ging we had written against, kommen, kam, geben, gab, give. You wrote this down?
Yes.
And let's take few regular ones. Spielen, spielte, kochen, kochte, bus, 5 bus, so that we can make 5 sentences on these. So now will you make 5 sentences on these?
Yes.
Agar nahi, we'll see if you understood it. Otherwise, we will again learn it. Don't worry. Okay. So let's say I went to Berlin. For now, put to as to only. उसको कैसे करना है ये हम केसेस में इन डिटेल सीखेंगे. ओके.
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody can see that, right?
Yes.
And the thing is, you are going to use them. Once you start using them, I will tell you. First of all, let's complete this and then we can go ahead.
Done.
Let's give everybody time. So, okay, Hetal, I think you are going to tell, right? Maybe after 1 more minute, we will go for that.
Then
Okay. Hetal?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hetal, bolo.
Yeah. I went to Berlin. Ich ging to Berlin.
Very good. Ich ging to Berlin. Very nice.
You come to Munich. Du kamst to Munich.
Very good.
He gave Kedar Coke. Gab Coke Kedar.
केदार को केदार
केदार
को
को।
एरगाब
Yeah.
केदार को.
Coke.
वेरी गुड. आपने एर के लिए भी गाब किया. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. नेक्स्ट.
We played tennis. We spilled tennis.
नहीं वियर के लिए देखो स्पिल्टर व्हाट विल हैपन. स्पिल्टन हमको कंप्लीट करना है, राइट? देखो स्पिल्टर द रीजन वी विल टॉक अबाउट कि हम इश फॉर्म क्यों याद रख रहे हैं, हम नॉर्मल फॉर्म क्यों याद नहीं रख रहे हैं, वो भी हम बात करेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, I cooked pizza. Is cooked pizza.
इश कॉक्ट पिज्जा। क्विकली कितने कितने करेक्ट आए लिखो, यूट्यूब पे भी, यहाँ पे भी। Okay. So I see. So I see all 4, 5. Those who got 4 correct understood what went wrong.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you will ask me why we are not remembering Gingan, right? Why not Kamen? Okay.
Yeah.
Can anybody tell me from the table the reason why I don't want to give the answer myself? I want you to think. Otherwise, it's like one-way traffic.
Because ging is used most of the time. Whereas because ging is a form which is used most of the time. Whereas
it can be a similar reason. Is there any other reason? Can anybody
Can I answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because गिंग is a गिंग जो है वो गिंग ही रहेगा, उसके पीछे हमें STTETEN ये सब लगाना है शायद इसलिए।
अगर
Yes,
हम
पर
इसका फॉर्म
वो तो बाकी के लिए भी कर सकते थे।
अगर हम इसका फॉर्म याद रखते हैं तो वियर का फॉर्म हमें इजी रह जाएगा, EN ही लगाना है।
नहीं, anybody else?
No.
सोचो, see, you have those 5 here. You can see this 5, right? You can see my cursor. What is the difference between Gim, Kam, Gab, and what is Spielte and Kokte?
क्योंकि पास्ट में I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you. See the reason, अगर आप गिंगन कामेन याद रखोगे ना, तो इस फॉर्म में ईएन हटेगा या सिर्फ एन हटेगा, इट विल बी ऑलवेज अ थिंग कि भाई यार स्पिल्ट होता है या स्पिल्ट, समझ रहे हो? Once everybody understood what I am trying to say.
Yeah.
But once you remember the ish form, then via is very simple. So you know ging will be gingst. अगर आपने सिर्फ हट्टन याद रखा तो HATT पे रुकना है या HATTE, that you will never know, right?
Yes.
But if you remember hatta, everything else is easy कि भाई STA लगाना है, हट्टन को N से complete करना है. You understood the concept?
Yes.
Because people ask me why I don't give gehen, gingan, gegangan, because that is logical. मैं उस पे specifically लिख के देता हूँ. It is ish or er form. Why we are remembering it? So that we don't make that mistake of E. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyone any doubts?
No.
Babra, this is something new. Okay, I hope you can still see me.
Yes.
It's very interesting. Okay, so if you can see my screen now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as I said, this is list of few verbs. I will just keep it here so that somebody afterwards also you can take a screenshot. But anyway, I will give this on WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the list of few verbs. There is one more list. Let me check if I have opened it here already. Yes. So here we saw that, right? Common, kam, gekommen. And I have written it above that error form. It is an error form, right? Or ish form. Both
Have
are
you
same.
changed the screen because it's not showing? It's showing again this whiteboard.
Oh, sorry. I asked if I can. It's really confusing sometimes. Okay. So this is my, okay, now this is the second table. Then it's better if I first show the first table.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So as I said, we saw a couple of these. So maybe we saw like from here we saw them. Let me open it. So we saw common, kam, gekommen I am giving now because anyway you are going to lead in our next class. Spielen is spielte. I have given a few. How to use the others we will see in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Concept समझ में आई है?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody understood the concept. Fortunately, unfortunately, जैसे इंग्लिश में आपको गेबन, गाब, गेबन याद ही रखना था, वैसे यहाँ पे भी मतलब गिव, गेव, गिवन याद रखना था, वैसे यहाँ पे भी गेबन, गाब, गेबन याद ही रखना पड़ेगा. There is no, unfortunately, the way we have a hack for were done, just use were done and your future tense is done. There is no hack like that here. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubts here?
Hmm.
For all the verb, it will be same only, right? Air form and ish form.
Yes. The rule, see, that's the silver lining, as they say, for a cloud, there is a silver lining. The only silver lining is that however irregular like the form becomes, once it becomes, then it's normal. So once it becomes calm, then calms, calm, come in, come in. Ging, gehen, gingen, ging, gingst, ging, gingen, gingen. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubts till now?
Till now, no.
Clear? Hai?
Yeah.
Okay, now I think I'm completely gone in dark. So what I can do is keep sharing something. So at least that whiteboard gives me some light. Okay, now at least I'm visible. Okay, so now one important thing. So past tense is clear.
Yes.
Now again, just because today we learned something heavy, let's get something free. So once you know, I went to Munich, you are also getting for free what? I was going to Munich.
Okay.
Why?
Because it's a continuous.
Continuous
Because
tense.
it's a continuous tense. So there is no I was going to Munich. It will be I
Same.
went to Munich only, and it will be ich ging to Munich.
Ich ging to Munich.
I was playing cricket, ich spielte cricket.
Ich
Okay.
spielt, yeah.
So even though we are learning something new, we are getting something free also. Okay. Okay. Now one important part. So some of you might be in Munich for some more time. Some of you might be here just come now. But you wouldn't have heard people say so many times ging, gab, kam, etc. Right? Especially, you will never SN past tense becomes as. But at least I have been in Munich for now 5 years almost, and I used to have lunch every day with my before Corona, that is with my colleagues. I never German colleagues. Nobody said ish as pizza, right?
Yeah.
Because while especially talking, Germans don't like to use past tense. They use simple perfect. So they don't say I ate pizza. They say I have eaten pizza. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. So in general, this all, if you have kids, if they are going to school, or if you are reading them books, there you will see all this very much, because in written materials, you can write this down if you want. In written materials, especially in stories and all, you will use the past tense, simple past, gab, ging, kam. But when you are going to speak, especially when you are going to speak informally, you are not going to use past tense. For that, you are going to use present perfect. Not to confuse you, I will simply say, they don't say I went to Pune, they say I have gone to Pune. Understood? Understood the concept?
Yes.
So that's why, at least if you are learning new, and if you are like not really going to read more and all, past tense is a little bit on the lower side. But again, when we are learning, it's always better. When somebody saw za, S-A-H, what is za? Za is past tense form of zehen. That much you should be knowing. Okay? Okay. So today what we learned. So now we have lights, so we can at least talk, and I can pin myself. Okay. So today what we saw Warren, Hutton, what it was, Compton it was. You understood everything?
Yeah.
Then what we said, अगर कोई rule को कोई follow नहीं करता तो वो rule ही क्या है? So we did not go for that rule of LTE and all. We just said we will remember geben, gab, and gegeben. Gehen, ging, gegangen. Understood? And we decided to remember the ish form so that we don't get confused कि ging है या ginga है. If you say gingan, you don't know if it will be ish form will be ging or ginga. So it's always better to remember ish or er form. The next thing we said that when you learn past tense, you get continuous past tense free. I was playing cricket. I played cricket. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, but we cannot see you.
You cannot see me?
Yeah.
Okay, but as long as you can hear me, it's okay. Now?
And
Yeah, we can.
Maybe, I'm sorry, maybe the
I
bandwidth is
think you're
low.
not feeling well. Like I should. I think
No,
you
no,
should
no, it's
feel
just too much swimming and all. So it's
Oh.
not corona anyway.
No,
Hope
no, I'm not.
I'm just, no, I know I was just joking.
Yeah.
I hope so. Okay, so what I was telling, yeah. So understood the past tense, you get continuous past tense free. And the last thing which will connect us to the next concept, the perfect tense, is why perfect tense is more important, I would say, in German, in many other languages, that Germans talk a lot in perfect tense. Understood? In maybe in English, you don't really need it. You say, I went to Pune. You rarely use I have gone to Pune, right? So in English, it may not be that important. But in German, this present perfect and past perfect, they are important. So everybody knows what is present perfect tense, what is past perfect. I at least in Marathi, I think it's called Sampurna Vartaman Kal, Sampurna Bhutkal. Anybody knows what it is called in Hindi and your mother tongue?
No.
If not, then let's stick to simple past. Neend aa rahi hai mujhe. Present perfect and past perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is present perfect and past perfect? Can anybody tell me? So what is a simple tense is normal. Whatever, I eat pizza. Continuous present tense is I am doing it. I am eating pizza. What is a present perfect tense? Can anybody tell me in English, not in German?
I have eaten
आता है ना
pizza.
सबको?
Yeah.
What is present perfect? सबको पता है ना present perfect? I have eaten
Eaten
pizza.
pizza.
Yeah. जहाँ पर है
Rule नाम सबको
Just
पता है.
completed
क्या
task.
है वो?
Just
Something
completed.
completed, finished.
Very good. Somebody give a correct answer. You have just completed doing something, right? So it's technically a present tense, but you have done it. I have eaten pizza. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. I have played cricket. I have played cricket. Okay. You understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do. If you know that, then see, if the concept you know, next things are very simple. You know the concept is similar. So let's see, what do you know? As I said, I love cricket, so we will go with
Can you
cricket.
repeat this concept?
Yeah.
Can you repeat this concept? Between, the
Which
difference
concept you tell me?
and between continuous like perfect and the normal present.
In English?
Yes, so that it will be easy for us to understand.
Okay. Simple thing is I eat pizza. मैं pizza normally खाता हूँ is a simple present, right? I am eating pizza. मैं pizza खा रहा हूँ. I carefully use my Hindi words because my Hindi is not my mother tongue. So I am eating pizza. मैं pizza खा रहा हूँ. I have eaten pizza. मैंने पिज्जा खाया है. Hopefully correct. हिंदी भाषी please बोलो.
Yeah.
मैंने पिज्जा खाया है. It is
खा लिया.
मैंने पिज्जा खाया. Yes. Correct.
खाया है होगा ना, क्योंकि अगर
खाया
परफेक्ट
है.
पास्ट होगा तो मैंने पिज्जा खाया था भी लगाया पड़ना पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am just speculating. It's not my mother tongue, as I said.
Correct.
म्हणजे मराठीत मी पिझ्झा खाल्ला आहे, मी पिझ्झा खाल्ला होता. At least that's what I know. इससे मैंने ये किया है और था. Anyway.
हिंदी में क्या है ना, अगर हमने खाया बोला तो पास्ट में ही चला जाता है. था हो या हाया हो, वो पास्ट.
No, no, no.
नहीं
No,
भाई,
no.
बहुत दिन हो गए आपने हिंदी ग्रामर सीखे हुए. पास्ट टेंस भी बहुत तरह के होते हैं. ओके, लेट्स नॉट गो देयर. ये हिंदी का क्लास नहीं है. ओके, एंड आई एम नॉट अ गुड एट हिंदी. ओके, मराठी होता तो मैं आपको फिर भी समझाता. ओके, वेयर वाज आई? जिसने क्वेश्चन पूछा, whoever asked the question, is the thing, are the things clear?
So what I understood is there are three things, like I eat pizza, I have eaten pizza, and I am eating pizza. These are the three things.
No, I eat pizza. I am eating pizza. I have eaten pizza. These are
Yes.
present. These are three presents.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe you can just Google it. What is simple present? What is perfect present in English? Maybe that's the easiest way. Okay. Okay. Now, I have played cricket. Everybody understands this is a simple present perfect, sorry, present perfect sentence in English. Everybody understands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है देखते हैं. So what we did, what is have here?
I have played.
आपका what is your verb? Played, right? Your verb
Helping
is
Modal
played.
verb.
Helping verb.
Helping verb.
Very good. Somebody says auxiliary verb or helping verb. So क्या हो रहा है देखो. You understand, if you understand the mechanism, German 2 मिनट में सीख लेंगे. समझ रहे हो ना? Understand the mechanism. क्या हो रहा है? I have played cricket. He has played cricket. So what did you do here? What did you do here? You conjugated have, right?
Yeah.
And you kept played in its own position, which was its past participle. Past participle. It's not its past tense, right? Because I have ate pizza nahi. I have eaten pizza hoga, right?
Eating pizza. Yes. Yes.
So here, if you understand what you did, you, according to you, what you say, conjugated have, and then you put a past participle of it. Everybody understands this?
Yeah.
Yes.
If it was he, it would have been he has eaten pizza, right?
Yeah.
In German, we will do the same. In German, we will do the same. I is ish. Ish के लिए have का रूप क्या होगा?
Hatte.
Haben. Ich habe. Have ना had नहीं. I have.
Yeah.
Ich habe. सिर्फ क्रिकेट आगे आएगा क्योंकि अपना रूल क्या है, इसीलिए मोडाल वर्ब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक बार दो वर्ब आए, जो चलने वाला वर्ब है सेकंड पोजीशन पे, मेन वर्ब कहाँ पे?
Last.
में.
और उसका पास्ट टेंस होता है गेस्पील्ड, मतलब उसका जो रूप होता है गेस्पील्ड. समझे? ये गेस्पील्ड कैसे होता है ये नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए, सब कुछ एक दिन में नहीं आएगा, राइट? But the concept I am trying to say is very simple. It's just like English. You will, for ish, you will have a helping verb. Again, we will discuss it in detail. 95% times you will have. For very specific cases, you will have sein. वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. For अभी आज के दिन ish habe, और जो past participle कहाँ जाएगा? Last में जाएगा. Ich habe Cricket gespielt, and what will become to he has played cricket? Hat cricket gespielt. Clear hai?
Yes.
I have played cricket. Ich habe Cricket gespielt. See, maybe you can write these two. We are going to learn this in detail in Monday's class. Why I am giving it now is that, as I said, I believe in 20-60-20. So what we will do, 20% we will revise from the last class, 60% we will learn new things, and next 20% we will put seeds for the next class. Okay? Hello, Susmit. Pucho.
Hi, Kedar. That was not my sound, but anyhow.
No, I can see your hand raised. That's why.
Yeah, sure. मैं just थोड़ा फंडा क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. मेरे को इंग्लिश में ये जो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, इसका बहुत अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है. आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जब I have played cricket, this is present. आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
This is present perfect.
Yeah, present perfect.
Present perfect.
लेकिन
how present perfect? Let me. How present perfect works in English is you conjugate the modal verb or auxiliary verb have, and you put a participle स्वाय जिसको बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं व्हाट इज इंग्लिश मेरा खराब हो रहा है क्या बोलते हैं पास्ट पार्टिसिपल पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आप उसके बाद भेजोगे आई हैव प्लेड क्रिकेट आई हैव ईटन पिज्जा आई हैव ड्रंक टी आई हैव संग माकारेना आई हैव डांस्ड इज इट क्लियर नाउ
तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज हो रहा है
yes okay. Yes I think मतलब yes for all practical purposes I think आपको थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश थोड़ा रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा कि पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ये तो हिंदी में मराठी संस्कृत हर इसमें होता है वो एक रूप बन जाता है डोंट कंसीडर इट एज अ पास्ट आप वर्ड से खेलने में पॉइंट नहीं है मतलब we cannot go too deep in English right
sure
yeah it's just that the same way in English I have we were conjugating have we have conjugated habe the same way we had participle played we have put it as gespielt only thing it went at the end everybody understood
yes
so three rules English की तरह ही एक auxiliary verb लगेगा second English की तरह ही past participle लगेगा third सिर्फ जर्मन में past participle end में जाएगा clear
yes
now इसको थोड़ा सा जर्मन में चेंज क्या है वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे क्योंकि पास्ट एनीवे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट तो लास्ट मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास की बात है राइट नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इफ यू लर्न वन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट you will get past perfect also free, how we will see next class, and then you will give continuous tenses for them also free. So learning one tense, you are learning getting 3 tenses free. Understood?
Yeah.
So acha offer hai, right? So yeah. let's take that on Monday. Any doubts till now?
Can you repeat the 3 rules, please? I'm writing.
अरे इतना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, इतना सीरियसली मत लिया करो मुझे. ओके, जब लिखना होगा मैं बोलूंगा, बट इन द सेंस फर्स्ट लाइक इंग्लिश सेकंड पोजीशन पे जो होगा वो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब होगा, वो चलेगा. आई हैव, ही हैज, राइट. सेकंड रूल क्या है? जैसे इंग्लिश में पास्ट पार्टिसिपल था वैसे यहां भी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल लगेगा. थर्ड डिफरेंट थिंग ओनली, इंग्लिश में आफ्टर द auxiliary verb immediately the verb comes. I have played, I have eaten, I have whatever. In German like modal verbs the main verb जो जिसका participle बनता है वो end में जाएगा. Clear?
Got it.
Okay, so next class में I think within 15 minutes we will learn these, and then we will get the 3 tenses free, and then we will start with a very important concept called cases. Cases को हम next class में शुरू नहीं करने वाले हैं. We will just what we will say, we will just play with it, yeah. And then what I am planning is, बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे already पूछा था कि मतलब हमारा ये 1.1 वगैरह हो गया, and when you go to the next level let us know. So they will also join. We will create another group. So after 2-3 days, once I am back from vacation, I will send you a message that आपके जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं कि जिनको लगता है कि उनका बेसिक्स तो था यार, ये तो क्या बच्चों वाला क्या सीखना है, तो उनको आप ये दे सकते हो. केसेस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट आई टीच. मतलब मेरे से केसेस सीख के आप बंद कर दोगे तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज वो सीखने के बहुत गलतियां की हैं. we learn them in the easiest possible way. So please don't miss them. The entire July, I guess, no, half June and half July, we will take at least 6 classes for the cases. Okay, but once they are done, agar aap if you follow what I'm telling, you will be great with cases. Okay,
तो हमारा A1 हो जाएगा.
A1 देखो, A1 okay, let me put it in simply. A1 सीख के हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब है कि आप, I don't know, आप किस स्ट्रीम से थे, इंजीनियरिंग या कौन से स्ट्रीम से थे?
नहीं, मेरा मैनेजमेंट रहा.
जो भी मैनेजमेंट, क्लास में टीचर ने सिखाया, आप लेक्चर अटेंड करके आए तो आपका हो जाता है क्या? नहीं, हाँ, मतलब
खुद
से पढ़ाई करनी, सीखने के हिसाब से 95% हो जाएगा. Once we are done with cases, we are done 95% with A1. Is that your question?
Yes.
In fact सिर्फ पास होने के लिए A1 करना है तो केसेस भी नहीं हुए तो भी चलता है, क्योंकि A1 में उसके बाद में देखेंगे. but हम ये पास होने के लिए नहीं सीख रहे, right? We are wanting,
Yes,
we are
yes.
learning this because we love the language. So yes, if for your this thing, today is 16th, so most likely on 20 July you all will be done learning A1.
Wow.
I'm telling very carefully here, okay? Before 20 June, I think we have 8 classes till then, right? So most likely on 15th, but let's keep on safer side, क्योंकि बीच में किसी दिन मुझे टेस्ट लेने का मूड किया वगैरह, तो 20th June we will be done, okay?
Okay.
20th July, sorry, 20th July. Does that answer your question?
Yes. Correctly.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other doubt?
No.
So today was a good class. It at least went. I'm sorry for the very important call, and this all light effects. Trust me, it is not done. Like I am not doing. It's just happening. We are way deep into a Greek island. We are lucky that the class is happening. So you please bear with me with the light effects. Yeah.
At least you.
Anyone else?
At least we can hear you.
Okay. Anybody? Any other doubts? We still have 7 minutes. Let's keep it 1 hour only. Yeah. If not, we can close always. But
No.
still, any doubts?
No, we don't have any doubts, but we will wait for that verb forms which you will.
Okay. Verb, as I said, आज के आज ही सारे सुनने की पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं. Don't get tense. If you are going to get tense, I will not send them. Okay. Maybe it's always remember आपको कितना टाइम लगा था. At least हमने तो इंग्लिश 5th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद सीखी थी. And then went gone पढ़ने को 1 साल गया था. मतलब so अचानक कल की कल अरे मेरे को गेम गिंग गेगंगन नहीं आता. Don't worry. So maybe what we will do, I will give that list. For now, these verbs are enough. Just keep working on contours, alter, and जो 5 मैंने दी उस पे. On Monday, I will give you, once we have learned the perfect tense, then I will give you the list of all. Is it okay? Because otherwise what will happen, let me share my screen. You'll start getting confused with what is this gay antworted? What is this begonnen? So these are participle zwei forms. Understood?
Yeah.
So maybe once we are done with past tense, I will give you this. Okay? Anything else? Clear है past tense पूरा?
Yeah. Till now it's clear.
Good. So I think then we can stop. As I said, on Monday we will be done with the basic grammar, as you can say, and we will start with perhaps one of the most important, at least जो concept जिससे लोग डरते हैं cases की, भाई मेरे को जर्मन क्यों नहीं करना क्योंकि cases बहुत hard है. That's the reason. So we will start tackling that problem. Trust me, cases are very easy, and that I can guarantee you. People don't do it systematically. That's why they fail, and that's why if you see like when अपना जो इंडियन मेंटालिटी रहता है ना, मेरे फर्स्ट वीडियो को 2 लाख व्यूज है और अराउंड अबाउट दोनों मिलकर तो 2.5-3 लाख व्यूज है जो शुरू करेंगे. फिर दे ग्रेजुअली बिकम 60,000, देन 40,000, देन 30,000, फिर ऐसे करते करते कम हो जाता है. Suddenly a spike comes to 30,000 plus 20,000, I think 50,000 to cases, because cases is the part that I teach well. So we will have fun. Don't worry. Cases is interesting and we will work on it. I know past tense is a little bit hard because बहुत दिनों बाद आज आपने को कुछ नया रट्टा मारने को पड़ा है, right? And उसको रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा, उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But it's worth it. एक नया लैंग्वेज सीखना है तो कुछ नए वर्ड सीखने में. At the end, what you are doing, you are learning 2 new words, ging and gegangen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I think that's worth it. You did the same in English. Go, went, gone.
Yeah.
In Marathi, I also did that. Jaane gela. समझ रहे हो ना? So in Hindi, you did what is that? Gaya. So बहुत सारी थी. मतलब देना का दिया क्यों हुआ, देया क्यों नहीं हुआ, आया का आया, उसका कोई रीजंस नहीं. It's similar to that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so sorry. Let's meet on Monday. Okay.
Yeah, and take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Much
Bye.
better.